Hey guys, we're here from Car Sound Security. What we got today is a London taxi, 2019 TXC model. What we got here is we've installed a front and back dash camera. Now we get a lot of this. We don't just install for cars, guys. We also install for commercial vehicles like taxis. What we put on here is we put a special camera. So as you can see, that is your standard front camera, but at the back you got there is an infrared camera that records your rear passengers. So this allows you to record any incidents that happen, and obviously you've got your evidence there to back you up there. So yeah, if you got a taxi and you want a camera like this fitted on yours, give us a shout. Thank you.